Hey chickadees! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a paint by numbers kit. I'm super excited because as somebody that cannot draw or paint to save her life, I'm thinking that this kit is going to give me the opportunity to feel like an artist at least for a brief bit of time. We'll find out. I'm also hoping that this is one of those craft kits where you don't stress out about doing it right, that this is just going to be one of those ones where you can shut your brain off, turn on some good music, and just knock it out. And then by the end of it, have like a sick piece of artwork that you can put up on the wall or even gift somebody. We'll find out and I'll let you know. And don't forget to hit that bell if you'd like notifications, hit that share button if you think somebody you love would like to hear about this, and leave a comment if you think this is a good idea or bad idea. Or if you have a craft kit you'd like me to review, or a craft you'd just like me to try, let me know and I'd be happy to give it a shot. Alright friends, let's get down to it and see if this is worth it. Alright. Here we go. So this is the Mondo Llama craft kit. And I got this from Target. To be perfectly transparent, y'all, I forgot how much it was. I'm pretty sure it was in the $20 range, but it looked really pretty and I just couldn't pass it up because, I mean, look at it. I just realized it's got cactuses. I just saw the flowers and the colors and I was like, this is it. I'm super excited about it. Also, my toxic trait is I love to do things that just are probably too big for a first try, but we're gonna go for it anyways. Yeah, I just realized, like, looking at this picture, I may have bitten off more than I can chew. And I don't know if you guys are going to see me finish this or not. But we'll find out. Fabulous. We got our paints here. Okay, this doesn't look as daunting, so I'm excited about that. Yay! Here's our instruction sheet. 2 acrylic paint strips, bam, 2 paint brushes. They're in the acrylic paint, the 1 paint by numbers canvas with sawtooth hanger. Looking positive here. Before you begin, protect your space, blah, blah, blah. Take a deep breath and place your floral desert canvas board on your creation station. That's pretty, like, standard paint by numbers stuff, I'd say. So we got our colors here, taking a look-see. 1 set. 2nd set. You see the paintbrushes are in there. And now here's the moment of truth. Oh, Jesus. Guys, the numbers are so small. Can you even see that? I got old eyes. I should have started with a smaller one. I'm no longer excited and happy about this. I mean, it's gonna look dope when it's done. There's a lot of colors though. But, alright, we'll just go with it. I fucked up. I fucked up big time. But we're committed now, so we'll see how this goes. I might do this over the course of a few days. Alright. I love you guys, just know that, and I do love to try things, but oh, what did I get myself into? Alright. We'll just go by number. I'm gonna put our picture over here so that I have a general idea of, you know, where the tiny numbers exist. And we're just gonna go for it. So, enjoy watching me do this for probably the next, like, 5 years of my life. If I can open the frickin' thing. Ew. Bro. Open. Ew. Jesus. I mean, I am a wuss. Also, don't want to get paint on this because I have a feeling I'm going to do this too hard. Okay, there we go. Just had to get the right angle. This will all be worth it in the end. Put on some good vibes, y'all. Send me good vibes. Here we go. Oh, and I just want to throw this out there. Time is currently 2:57. Alright. One done. Check it out. Can you check it out? Yeah. So far, it is definitely relaxing. Maybe not while you're recording and people are watching you, but it is relaxing. You do want to hold on to this guy because there's like little tiny blue spots that I couldn't readily see. Can you see? So those two blue guys right there. Yeah. I couldn't readily see those just by looking at the giant painting with tiny numbers. So luckily there's this guide to help you see, oh, there's supposed to be blue in this little tiny area. Also, there certainly were places where I could have switched the brush to the tiny one, but I'm not gonna fucking do that. I am lazy and I want this to be calm and relaxing and good. So one color done, 14 to go, and plenty of paint. I can see why they say to go over it twice. Am I gonna do that today? No, but it's a good time. So we'll just keep on keeping on. And on to 2. Frick. Oh, you guys can see the red better. Woo! Frick. Frick. Oh, suckers are hard to open. There's gotta be a trick. I think I figured it out, guys. You gotta hold it like this and then it just pops open. Oop. Getting real good at opening these now. Alright, y'all. This is where we're currently sitting at. Take it in. It is now currently 5:17. I forgot what time we started, but my neck hurts, my back hurts, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna take a break and then I'll come back to this. However, I don't know if I am going to make a second video showing me finishing this piece. If you'd like to see it completed, leave a comment, let me know, and I could probably do that for you. But overall, thoughts on this? I think it's a good project. I have definitely enjoyed sitting here, listening to music, and just kind of focusing on finding the numbers and painting them. However, if you are a perfectionist, this is not going to be for you. Even with a tiny brush, it's not easy to stay in the lines. It's very hard on the eyes as well, at least for mine. Even with the lighting and everything, I really have to look for these numbers. They're tiny. I mean, look, like, they're very, very little, and there are a ton. Just an absolute ton. So it's a good project. It's a good project if you're not in a hurry and you just want to take an hour or two out of the day to do something. I think that this will be really pretty when it's done because of the amount of detail. For this, out of 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I would give this a 6. 6 or 7, depending on the day. Again, like, this picture makes it look totally worth it, but getting there, it's gonna take some time. So, let me know what your thoughts on this. Do you guys agree with me? Again, if you want to see me finish this, let me know in the comments, and maybe if I get enough comments and enough likes on this video, let's say if I get 150 likes on this video, I will finish this live. If not, then this will go in the to-do bin, and luckily I still got the box. So, thank y'all for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you later. Bye!